Hey flockers! Today's video is all about Mah Pod. Well, what else would you call it? Humans make these things so complicated. My pet human's calling it a Mahogony-thingy Pod. But Mah Pod is so much catchier. These things are really, really good. I did stop to try to stare down the paparazzthebirdie, but I'd rather be chewing on my pod. I'll put up with the camera. These are absolutely delicious. I kind of think about them as bird nip. They are kind of soft, so they don't last long, but just look at that smile on my beak. I'm enjoying it. Make sure you tell your pet human to pick you up a Mah Pod. I'm certainly not sharing mine. If you enjoyed today's video, beat that subscribe button and join the flock.